My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have been doing this actually for 51 years, 10 with the IRS. I am a national expert. I don't brag about myself. Just go to my website. It's 777irs.com. Yeah, you'll learn all about me. I've been on all the major TV stations, major ones. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. So my question today is this. Has IRS taken away your passport because of back taxes? You know, about 8 years ago, the IRS, through the FAST Act, F-A-S-T, that's exactly what it is, threw in all these, to keep the government open, all one of those tricks, all this different legislation, and IRS buried one in there. At that time, if you owed $52,000, IRS was going to suspend, terminate, or deny your passport. Yeah, what they did is they said, well, this is how we're going to do this. We're going to file a federal tax lien. It was at $52,000 and now it's $59,000. If you get a 508C letter, you don't call us and put on a payment agreement, a hardship, or an offer in compromise. Your passport, wiping it out with the State Department, you're going to start all over again. It's exactly what they did. Thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of people lost their passport. I get people here crying all the time. They didn't get the letter. They didn't know. Some of their fathers getting buried. There's a wedding they have to go to, a business trip. They cannot get their passport. There's a very specific methodology you have to do to get that. Very simple. So what do you have to do? As soon as you get that letter, it's a time-sensitive letter like all IRS letters are. At that point in time, you got to call IRS or us. We should do that easier for you. We got to give them a financial statement. I got to make sure their tax returns are current. We can do that in a day or so. And when they analyze your financial statement, maybe a 433F or an A, they'll either put you in currently non-collectible for a couple years, case will come out. Payment agreement, we can offer or send in an offer and compromise, as long as it's legit, and you'll be reversed on the IRS computer. They let the State Department know, and boom, you can apply for a new passport. But IRS does this. I think the last I heard, they did this over 1 million times. People don't have their passport. So if this has happened to you, I'm just going to tell you right now, if you over $59,000 in debt, IRS is going to send you a 508C letter, and it is time sensitive. You better move. We know what to do, so if you want to use this, you can. You got to remember all your returns. It's a sneaky move. I've got to be filed. It's a sneaky move by IRS. Really don't like what they did. You don't have a choice. And I'm just alerting you right now that 59,000 today is the magic Willy Wonka number. Call me if you need me. I always answer the phone. I try to answer all the questions that you send me and our likes and all that stuff. It's hard to keep up with. I got 1 million views, so I will try to answer you as I can. Don't lose your passport. It's a pain in the ass. We can get it back, but it's a pain in the ass, just telling you. Give me a subscription. Thank you so much.